everyone, Jacqueline here. How are you? I'm so sorry I missed last week's upload. I'm really trying to be more consistent with my uploads and I have no excuse, but I'm back this week with another what I eat in a day video. For breakfast, I was thinking about making chocolate cherry nice cream, but it kind of just turned into a smoothie, which I was totally okay with. I was working in the office this day, so I needed to drink this quickly and head out anyways. I threw a handful of dried cherries into my smoothie and blended just a little bit more. So the cherries at the top were blended up, but there were still big chunks of cherry toward the bottom, which I loved. This was so delicious. I felt like I was having dessert for breakfast. Lunch at work was a salad made with all of these random leftover veggies I had in my fridge that needed to be eaten before they went bad. There were some pimiento-stuffed Spanish olives, stuffed grape leaves, hearts of palm, pepperoncinis, cucumber, tomato, and corn. The stuffed grape leaves were from Costco, and while I wasn't super impressed by the taste, they make a quick snack and can easily be turned into a meal. So I think they're great to have on hand for those purposes. I'd probably buy them again. Most of my what I eat in a day videos are filmed on weekends, but this time I wanted to film on a weekday. Right now I work in the office every other day, so I thought I'd bring you along. If you are my coworker and you are watching this, I hope you don't think I'm a weirdo for filming in the office. I had to get the shots of me eating at my desk, you know? Dinner time and my mouth is watering just thinking about this green papaya salad. I've been wanting to make my own green papaya salad for a while because most Thai or Vietnamese restaurants use fish sauce in their salads, or they add prawns or dried baby shrimp, which I'm allergic to. So anyways, after you peel the papaya, you make about 1,000 tiny little vertical cuts like this, and be careful not to chop your thumb off. And then you shave the papaya down like this to get these beautiful thin shreds. You can also grate the papaya or use a julienne peeler if you have one. That'd be much easier for sure. I really wish I did have one because my hands honestly hurt so bad after this. The sauce is very simple. It was just minced garlic, chopped peanuts, brown sugar, red chili flakes in place of bird's eye chilies because I can't handle that heat and I also didn't have any on hand, and a pinch of salt. I'm mashing it all up like this with a spoon, but use a mortar and pestle if you have one. I don't, so add that to the list of kitchen gadgets I really need to invest in. After that, I added fresh lime juice and this concoction I call experimental fish sauce. Oh gosh. I was soaking shiitake mushrooms and seaweed in water for some other dish I was making, but I thought it would work in this because it had a briny taste. You can totally skip this though or use your own vegan fish sauce. I also added a splash of shoyu and that was it. If you've never had green papaya before, the texture is firm and crunchy. It has a neutral taste, so don't worry, it doesn't taste like papaya, but it tastes really good with a tangy sauce like this one with the lime and salt. Very good. As much as I love cooking, I don't always feel like preparing a full-on meal, especially on busy weeknights, so that's when I turn to my packaged or instant noodles like this udon. I had my udon with some kale, green onion, tofu, and wakame seaweed. Nothing crazy. I ate this with my green papaya salad, and it was a delicious, simple meal. I was very content. Almost. I really wanted dessert, and I got this caramel apple crumble oatmilk ice cream. Whew, that's a mouthful. From Winco, and it was, just like the name says, so delicious. The apple pie crust chunks were the best part. I ate through more than half the pint just so I could eat all the little chunks. I think I need to DIY this at home so I don't end up spending all my money on this ice cream. Let me know if you'd want to see that video because I will do it. For you guys, of course. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope this could provide some vegan food inspo for you, and if you liked what you saw, I would really appreciate if you subscribed and hit that notification bell. I'd love to have you here. Have an awesome rest of your day, take care, and I will talk to you all next time. Bye!